Woo! Accident. The first time I ever made a hair product was a hair growth oil. So that's what we're going to do today. We have more than 50 herbs here. And let's get to cooking. The first group is seeds. So let's start with sunflower seeds. I'm doing 1 tablespoon. The first time I ever did a hair growth oil, I definitely used fenugreek. I used henna. This is not a tablespoon, but this is half tablespoon of yellow mustard seeds. Then flax seeds. I love using flax seeds for gels and for the foundation of hair masks. If hair masks normally make your hair feel dry, I would recommend using moisturizing base like flaxseed, chia seeds, okra. Recently, I started using nikwi, black seeds. I know you people, you love to do chia seed pudding, but did you know that chia seeds is also very good as a gel? So if you have chia seeds, you can do some gel at home. Let me know if I should do a giveaway. Annatto seeds, I think that's how you say it. I actually bought these annatto seeds to make hair products red or orange. Never used it. Perhaps I'll use soon. I mean, I'm using it now. So. I just love fenugreek seeds. You can also make a gel with fenugreek seeds as well. But I just love it for hair growth. For hair growth is one of my favorites. Fenugreek and amla together is really good. And remember, I'm mixing all the herbs of my starch. This is years of collecting these. The next one is lavender. I love the smell. It's really nice for hair growth oil as well. Then we have chamomile. And I'm sure some of you drink it before bed. It's really good. Smells nice. Some of these herbs you can buy from my website. The link is in the bio. So this one is dandelion flowers. Some of you use dandelion roots, which is also good. I have also in my starch. Then is rose petals. When was the last time your partner gave you flowers? Yeah, it smells so nice. Then we have marigold petals. I don't have a lot of this one, so I'll do half tablespoon. The last one we have hibiscus. Amazing for hair growth oil as well, and hair loss, shedding. The next group is roots. The next root is licorice root. Then we have burdock root. Then we have dandelion root. Remember that we use dandelion flower, now we're using the dandelion root. This one is ginseng. ginger, and last one is marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is an amazing moisturizing herb. So every time you want to add moisture to a hair product, just add marshmallow root. So the next group is leaves. The first one we have is green tea. Do you drink green tea? Comment below. I like to do hair teas with green tea. It's very good for excessive hair shedding and hair loss. Then we have curry leaves. And no, this is not to make stew. But this is also very good for hair growth. Then we have lemon balm, nettle, stingy nettle, then we have sage, we have eucalyptus leaves, then we have ambuno leaves. It's really good for cleansing the scalp. The same way I use soap nut, shikaikai, ambuno is the herb for cleansing. It's an African herb, by the way. So this is basil. Then we have peppermint. If you love products with tingling sensation, you'll love this one. You can add to hair growth oils, to shampoos. Amazing. Then we have thyme. The next one is spearmint. Then we have lemongrass. The scent is not as strong as the essential oil. You can still smell it, but I prefer the essential oil. This one is ginkgo leaves.
Sorry, something went wrong.
Coast foot. And then the last one is neem leaves. This is one of my favorite herbs for scalp problems. I just love it. Neem leaves with clay. With clay, I love it. I love it. Then the next group is fruits. The first one is orange peel. This is a very drying herb. So if you use it, make sure you add slippery elm or marshmallow roots. And I'm just gonna add half tablespoon. But it smells so lovely. Then we have rose hip. Then we have amla. If you know me, I love amla. I love amla. I swear by amla. Then we have shikaikai. It's amazing for a hair shampoo. So just 2 of them. Allspice. So allspice. The next one is star anise. And then we have soap nuts. I'm not gonna add too much because it's also a very cleansing herb. So just one. We move to the group of others. Firstly, we have rosemary. You guys just love rosemary. Rosemary oil, rosemary water. We love rosemary. Rosemary is a must. Rosemary essential oil. We all love rosemary. Rosemary lovers back. So that's that. Then the next one is hostel. Don't forget, you can get some of these herbs on my website. The link is in the bio. Hostel, another good herb for hair growth. This one is yarrow. This one is everyone's favorite as well. Cloves water, cloves oil. Everyone loves it. It goes hand in hand with rosemary. If you combine this one with rosemary and amla, top. I also sell clove hair grease that you can purchase on my website. And then the last one is powders. Aloe vera powder. The next powder is bringrush. Now we have brahmi powder. Next one is spinach powder. If you are OG in my Instagram, you'd have seen my spinach hair mask. The color is very similar to moringa. Then we have moringa. I love moringa. It's just an amazing powder. Then we have holy basil. The next powder is ashwagandha. This herb is really good for hormonal hair loss. We have coconut milk powder. Smells so nice. Smells so nice. Then we have triphala, which is a combination of 3 herbs in one. One of the herbs is amla. A lot of people love slippery elm, and me too. If you want to make a gel, or if you want to add moisturizing properties to your hair product, this is the powder to use. And then the last one is gutukola, which is also another amazing herb for hair loss. And we are done with adding the herb. Let me know in the comments how many herbs were added to this pot. This is all the herbs together, and I'll write down the rules for the giveaway on the screen. This is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and remember to join in the giveaway.